Well, as you can see, the apples are all gone. I got them all done. And the last little bit of them I made, these are the peelings. And this is what's left of the fruit leather that I made. Just a little bit around the edges there. And it's good to have all those apples gone. Now my counters look like they're supposed to. I just got through. I had whatever size this is, half a gallon of kombucha doing its thing, and I got that all poured into containers. That fills up about almost 3 containers. Couple of the containers had a little bit in the bottom left over from last time. I'm getting ready to make more. I'm going to put some tea bags in here and brew them, and then I'll wait for that to cool, and I'll add that to here along with more just regular room temperature, well, kind of coldish water. And I don't need to put more SCOBY in there because it's got enough SCOBY, enough mother in there too. So that will be good. Well, what I've been working on this week that just got done, and we'll finish up this coming week, my husband and I have been teaching hunter education class. Yesterday, Saturday, we had our field day where the kids go out and shoot the guns. What I'm showing you here is my plants that are growing inside. You've seen them before. And I'm going to go ahead and show you a few pictures from my day yesterday. Well, that's about all I'm going to say for today. Just I enjoy teaching the hunter education classes. I enjoy it a lot. And we had a really good group of kids. We usually teach one class a year. This year we've taught 3 different classes, and it's been good. My husband and I both have got elk tags, but we have no place to go and find our elk in the area that the tag says we have to shoot. So we don't know of anybody. We probably just donated to the Fish and Wildlife Commission. Oh well, that's the way it goes sometimes. But we think it's really important that our young people of today, and we actually have about 4 grown-ups in the class, 2. It's not just young people, although the majority of them are young people. It's so important that they understand how to safely handle their firearms and the ethics of the whole thing. Fair chase, being kind to other hunters, doing all the right things. Our motto is to do the right thing, even when no one is watching, even when doing the wrong thing is legal. always do the right thing. So it's going to be a good week coming up, finishing up our undered class, and kind of finishing up the month of November. We're getting close, just one more week after this coming week. If I looked at the calendar correctly, we've got Thanksgiving coming up. On my Facebook page, I have been putting each day something that I'm thankful for. I know a lot of people do that in the month of November. I did it. I didn't do it last year, but I did it the year before, and I decided this year would be a good year to do it too. So if you aren't one of my Facebook friends, you can go ahead and do that. Well, just to let you know, if you Facebook friend request me, and if I don't have a whole bunch in common, a whole bunch of if we don't have friends mutual, I may not, if I don't know who you are, I may not approve it. So if you're one of my YouTube followers and you want to be a Facebook friend, send me a message on Messenger also to let me know who you are, and then I'll accept your friend request. And when you're looking for me on Facebook, I actually have 3 Facebook accounts, but 2 of them I just hardly ever look at. So look for the one that has it's Darlene Sue Bloxham Markward, and it's all kind of bumped together. And you can probably tell by whether I have recent posts or not, if it's the right account. And we can go from there. Well, I'm going to wind up this video and just let you know that I really appreciate you're watching my video. I appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel. I think I have over 300 now. I'm excited. I'm excited that I have over 300. I know some people do giveaways and all kinds of things when they reach certain landmarks. I think I'm aiming for a little bit higher before I do any giveaways. But I just want to let you all know that I appreciate you a whole bunch. And I know that my videos might not be the most exciting ones in the world, but I love talking to you. And so I am letting you know that my wish for you this week is that the good Lord richly blesses you. Until next video, bye. Oh, this is a PS. I realized when I was listening to the playback, when I was talking about my Facebook page, I forgot to mention that I have a Darlene's Garden Facebook page also. So you can go there, and quite a few of you have liked that page. There you just have to like instead of friend request me. So go there, and that might lead you to my other page also. So if you can't remember the Darlene Sue Bloxham Markward, just go to Darlene's Garden, and you should be able to find me. Or message me there saying, I'm looking for your personal page. Either way, well, bye again.